Welcome to the Pasco County Schools Parent Registration Portal. The My Student Parent Portal is a tool designed to enhance communication and involvement for you in your child's education. The portal will allow you to monitor your child's progress in school by providing timely access to academic and attendance information. This communication tool will improve the ability to assist your child and to communicate with the school. This video will share the steps a parent can take to set up a My Student Parent Portal account. Before we start, it will be important to have access to a few key pieces of information needed to set up a parent portal account and to be able to link to your specific student. You will need your child's last 4 digits of their Social Security number, student's full name, student number, and student birth date. In addition, you will need to have a personal email account to link within the account you set up. As you begin to set up an account, it will be beneficial to note that you will receive a confirmation email as you set up an account. The email will come from the company that powers our My Student product, Focus Schools software. It will help to set the address in a contact address area within your email system. This will prevent the email confirmation from going into the spam or junk folder of your email. In addition, if you have any trouble with setting up an account, we have a help ticket system that is accessible through the following email address. The first step in beginning to set up an account is to navigate to the Pasco County website and access the parent page. You will then select the Check Grades/Attendance from the right-hand gray side menu bar. There are step-by-step directions located on this entrance screen, where it shares to click here for directions on how to set up a Pasco County Parent Portal account. Pasco County school employees must use personal email addresses to sign up for a Parent Portal account. To set up your new Pasco County Parent Portal account, click the link to sign up for a new account. You will now select I do not have an account registered on the Parent Portal, but my child is actively enrolled. You will be brought to a screen that will ask you to enter your name as it appears on your driver's license, as well as use a valid email address that you will use at the conclusion of setting up an account to verify your account. You will select Submit. The next screen, you will enter the last 4 digits of the Social Security number, the student ID, as well as enter the student's birth date, month, date, and year. You will then select Add a Student. It will bring you to a screen with a picture ID of your student along with their name. You have a choice to either select more students to add to your account by clicking on that information, or by selecting I am finished, adding students, create my account. Once you create your account, you will be given a username and password confirmation screen. The password should be written down at the time of creating the Parent Portal account. You will be asked to verify your email by going back into the email address that you used to set up your account. As you do that, you will have one link in your email to verify your email address is accurate. You are now ready to log in and see the Parent Portal. You will use your